Luxembourg is one of the smaller countries in Europe and also is one of the smallest in the world. But it doesn't mean nothing because also here you can find the base of different European institutions. This is one of the most smaller countries in the world, that the quality of life is very high here, and maybe it's for that people they are live so long, because the average is 85 years. It's the house of the European institution. You can find here the European Parliament, different institutions. Here was also one of the countries that was supporting NATO organization. The basic salary, the minimum salary that people get here is little more than 2,000 euros. The level of unemployed is very down, practically doesn't exist here. So it's very beautiful country, very small country. It's in the middle of France, Belgium, Germany. The name of the Duke is Henry. He was supplied his father, that he was around 30 years, like a Duke, main Duke, and now it's his son Henry. As I can see here, the life with the if we compare the life here with Belgium, here people they are more calm.
Yeah, they don't have stress.
You can see here that on the street is another ambient. It's more calm, let's say.
Huh?
Majority of the people here they are
Expats, yeah.
expats. This tree was planted by the Prince Jean de Luxembourg, 5th of January 1821. He was 40.
This amazing, beautiful big tree, chestnut tree. This is the house of pensioners who retired and don't want to live with their family. They prefer to be in the circle of the same age people with the same interest, where people have a very nice restaurant with good food. They have own rooms, and here it's almost always fully booked and necessary to ask for the place in advance, very in advance.
Good things of this city is that the parks are very well cared for. Everything is very clean. Here it's very difficult to find some garbage on the street because people really take care about the environment. And the street is very clean. It seeks like a sense of common responsibility, and that things you can feel when you are walking here in Luxembourg.
It seems that Luxembourg has been built inside of the big park, because here is very beautiful ambience, very green, a lot of parks, people spending time here with the families, with the friends, with the dogs. And by the way, if you would like to have a dog in Luxembourg, first of all, you have to be a very responsible person and to have enough time to spend with your lovely dog. And if you are 8 hours at work and dog alone in the house, of course it can start to bark or to cry, and be sure that neighbors can call the police, and police will arrive, will give penalty to you, and even can confiscate the dog.
To put an example, one apartment of 50 square meters in the city center can cost 2,000 and a half. It's for that a lot of people they are living outside of Luxembourg. They are living in the borders with France, with Germany, and they go to work to Luxembourg. Grund is the name of this district and is the old Luxembourg, the old part of Luxembourg. This district is known because there is a lot of fortification for centuries ago, and also for that is part of the World UNESCO Heritage.
In 1815, the Congress of Vienna returned Luxembourg, then the Grand Duchy, to the Netherlands. With the Treaty of London in 1839, Luxembourg acquired its independence at its present form, handed over in part to Belgium, the Belgian province of Luxembourg.
And for the rest of our lives, oh my, maybe we were lovers in a past life. Maybe we were circling the same line, counting up forever every morning with the sun in our eyes. Oh my, maybe we were lovers in a past life. Maybe we were circling the same line, counting up forever every morning with the sun in our eyes. Swimming in a pool of your perfume, diving in the deep end, deja vu, deja vu. I'm floating inside a moment, hoping it stops the time. Sleeping in, staying up all damn night, sleeping in for the rest of our lives. Oh my, maybe we were lovers in a past life. Maybe we were circling the same line, counting up.
Hello. Чешется? Yeah, give me your hat, I will чешется to you. Here.
Dreaming that we stay frozen, laying in parallel lines. Forget every word we've spoken. You can just read my mind. Floating inside a moment, hoping it stops the time. Sleeping in, staying up all damn night, sleeping in for the rest of our lives.